Well, after one of the hottest records on summer, there is one thing that we have all experienced, and that is higher energy bills, right? Even though it's hot, we still want to be able to create shade, not only to lower the cost, but to spend some time outside. So how do we go about that? Robert Mulvin, he is the owner of All Pro Shade Concepts, joining us this morning with a variety of options, and they're really pretty options too. I like where you're at, Robert. Tell me what you have going on in this beautiful patio.
So in this patio, they wanted to create more space outside of it. So you have options of doing a drop shade, but that kind of restricts the patio. A better option would be a retractable awning. So you set this out and you create more space and shade and just cooled a bigger area.
Right, right. So you don't, because the drop shade, like you said, limits your space, but this just added, gosh, how many feet will that go out?
This is 10-foot, 2-inch projection.
Wow. Wow. Okay. And here's what I really love, Robert. I love the color of that because I'm a gal and it seems to match the cushions and the door accent behind you. Everything coordinates with colors together. Do you have options when it comes to picking colors of your shade?
Yeah, there's about 400 color options. So we have all the blues and yellows and oranges to go with any of the patio cushions. You can add any color to match any decor.
I love that. I love that. Now, that is all done by a remote, right? You don't have to, nothing but pushing a button to create more space. Is that right?
You can have these in a manual option or you can have them in a motorized option. Obviously, retractable awnings, gravity pulls it out, so it's a little harder to crank a manual.
Yeah.
So motorized is what we usually recommend for a retractable.
Excellent. Okay, so that's one option. What's another option? You said it's a drop shade. What does that look like?
You could do here, but it would restrict your patio. But coming over to the west side, when that sun starts peeking around, it's brutal. You can't even sit over here. So we added a drop shade, a manual option with cable guides. So you can drop this, raise it and lower it when the sun starts peeking around, and then you shade all your guests, drop the reflection off the TV, and you can enjoy the space a lot more.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about color options because you also have color options for the drop shades as well.
That's right. You have at least 30 colors to choose from for the drop shades as well. So you can go dark all the way to light. And you can add the decor or kind of contrast or blend.
So what if we live in an HOA and we have restrictions? Can you make sure we stay within those guidelines?
We have all colors that would match the guidelines for HOA requirements.
Okay, okay. And here's the best part too right now. You guys are doing a free estimate and installation. So you come to our home, everybody's wondering about being safe. We can do this at a social distance and you can still, get us all the information that we need. You don't even have to come in the house.
That's right. We stay 6 feet away. We show them the colors. We take our measurements, give them all the options and suggestions on what we would do or what would fit best for their application that they have.
Right, right, because you have so many other options besides just that as well. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Robert. I appreciate you for showing us that. I always love seeing different patios and designs. So let me give our viewers this information. Robert is offering a free estimate and free installation without even entering your home. All Pro Shade Concepts, 623-204-1476. Visit the website, allproshadeconcepts.com. And you got home projects? Be sure and follow All Pro Shades Concepts and other businesses and services that can help you out. Find our list of Home Pro experts to make it easy, abc15.com/homepros.